So with just a simple text prompt, you can now create a thumbnail like this, like this, like this. Let me show you. Now come over to this website, thumbs.ai, and come over here where you have features. You can see you can create thumbnails from simple text. You can also create thumbnail from, by creating a particular thumbnail on YouTube. There is AI face expression generator. You can also clone a channel style of, the way some channels used to create their own thumbnail. You can as well download any thumbnail that you can see on YouTube or anywhere. Now let's create our first thumbnail from a simple text prompt. Over here, we'll just have to paste our prompt here to create our first thumbnail. I already have my prompt ready. So this prompt is about my YouTube that was demonetized. Okay, so I'm not going to read everything, but it's just about a demonetized channel. Just paste a simple prompt, make it as simple as possible. Then you come over here and add a picture. Okay, if you want to use any picture you can add a simple picture of yours. I'm going to add mine over here. While we are waiting for that to generate, okay, you can see there are other expressions here that you can look at to get an inspiration. You can add your name here. I'm adding the name of my YouTube channel here, okay, so you can go ahead and add anything. Once you are done, just save it, and it automatically appears over here. So once you are done, it's going to appear over here just like mine. You're going to scroll down, okay, and then you come over here to this advanced settings and then choose the style of the text that you want, how you want the text in the thumbnail to appear. I'm going to choose this, okay, because it's really amazing and it looks gorgeous. And when you're done, also click on this advanced settings to, okay, now you're going to add the ratio, if it's 16:9 or 9:16, depending on the platform you're using. So right after that, choose the variations that you want, if it's 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or just more than 4, okay. Now as soon as you're done, like I said, hit on generate and your video will start generating immediately. This is as simple as ABC. Now this thumbnail over here was what I generated a day before, and this is absolutely good because it's for my other channel, a faceless channel that I have. Then our thumbnail is ready, and this is fine. You can see YouTube demonetized me. The reality no one shows you. This is actually very, very good, and it shows now. Can you see? This is absolutely good. Now I love this text. I love this text so much because it's catchy. This is going to make anyone who sees this to click on it because it's catchy. Okay, it's catchy and it's more like a clickbait as well. Anyone who sees this will just immediately want to click on it. When you're done, just go ahead and download it, and that is all you need. Easy peasy, very easy to create a thumbnail. Now let's go over to the next one, which is to recreate a thumbnail. Okay, now you can easily do this by uploading one, or you can just put the link of the thumbnail that you want to create, and after that put the prompt over here. Now to recreate a thumbnail, let's go ahead and copy a link from a popular YouTuber that I love his content so much, Don't Matter. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the link of this thumbnail. I want to recreate it using my own picture, but the same thing. So I will just go ahead and click on this link, okay, to copy it. Now I'm going to bring it over here and then paste it here. Paste the YouTube thumbnail over here. Now this is what we intend to recreate, but I'm going to paste a prompt here. But actually I would say not exactly like this, but I want something close to this. Okay, so I'm just going to put a prompt that says that I'm just happy that I have been unbanned. The first one says I was demonetized, and this one, I'm no longer demonetized, right? I'm happy. So that's what the prompt is going to be all about. Okay, so right after that, you can just add your picture here if your picture is not already there. Mine, I already have my picture here, so I have no worries about that. Then I will just go ahead and put the text that I want, how I want the text to appear. Okay, so but I don't actually want my own text to appear both on the left and the right or something. So I want something entirely different actually. But if you want your own to appear like that, you also have to prompt it to be like that. So our thumbnail is downloading. This practically takes like less than a few seconds for it to Okay, so it's not entirely the same thing, right? Yeah, but it's almost the same thing because I also did not prompt it to for the text to be both on the left and on the right. Remember, you also have to prompt it for the text to be both on the left and the right. That was intentional. Now I noticed something. My first generation gave me this particular one. Okay, just wait, it's loading. You're going to see it. It gave me this, and that's because I forgot to click on my image when I was, prompting it, and that was why it gave me this guy. But truly, I prefer this generation, this thumbnail, to the one that I actually added my face to. I prefer this one because I love this YouTube dashboard at the back, and I love this text. The expression was nice, it's actually amazing. Both are good. Now let's go over to YouTube downloader. Okay, so if you see any thumbnail on YouTube that you just want to download it, all you need to do is just to copy the link. Okay, you can download a single thumbnail, you can batch it. Okay, now let's come over to the matter again and copy the link to one of its YouTube thumbnail. So I'll just go ahead and click on copy link. That's all. Go over to toms.ai and then paste the link over here just to download the thumbnail. Very simple, easy peasy. And hit on that. Okay, immediately to start downloading. Immediately. Now over here you can just see if you want to download it as a 4K or just keep it to the original size, whichever one that is good for you. Hit on that generate and man, it starts generating immediately. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Easy peasy. In less than a few seconds it is ready. Okay, so tell me if you'll be trying this. So if you enjoy content on AI workflows and automation, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel for